Godzilla buddies. Godzilla shows you his atomic breath. Rawr. He's gonna do it again. Oh no. I hope you guys like and subscribe to Godzilla Buddies. I hope you liked that video of me breathing fire and Legendary Godzilla and Old Legendary Godzilla. But I hope you like and subscribe and view Godzilla Buddies. And bye! Woo!